Good evening. Today's topic is mixer and delegation, right? Mixer, delegation, and partnership. Okay. Yes, Meta. Almost similar, not 100%, but almost 99%. Yes. Mixer delegation, and another one is partnership. Suppose you go to any shop and ask them sugar 1 kg price is 35 rupees per kg. Okay. If they have, then can they provide? Suppose the shopkeeper has two varieties of sugar. First rate is 35 rupees per kg, and another rate is 40 rupees per kg. Right. You are demanding 35 rupees per kg sugar. Can he provide? Answer is yes. No. Suppose if you demand 40 rupees per kg, can he provide? Yes. Now my third question. If you demand 38 rupees per kg, can he provide? No. Not exactly. No. No. Okay, now. If he is a smart shopkeeper, then definitely he will provide. If he is smart, then definitely provide. If he is Pappu, then answer is no. Answer is no. Yes. Mixture of 35 and 40. Mixture of 35 and 40. Okay, now. Let's take another example. Two varieties of tea. First is 30 rupees per kg. Another is 40 rupees per kg. Okay. I'm demanding 35 rupees per kg. Okay. And I need 2 kg sugar. Okay. If he is a smart shopkeeper, then 1 kg from here and 1 kg from here. Okay. Total 2 kg. Total हो गया 2 kg. 1 kg and 1 kg. Yes. He will provide you. Okay. Now my question is, if you ask for 34 rupees per kg, will he provide? 34 rupees per kg. If a smart, then yes, he can provide. Okay. Suppose, beta, I need 10 kg sugar. 34 rupees per kg and need 10 kg sugar. Okay. Then how much kg from 30 and how much kg from 40? Batao answer. How much kg from 30 and how much kg from 40? 6 and 4. 6 and 4. Param also 6 and 4. 8, 6 and 4. Okay. Param and 8. Beta 4 and 6 or 6 and 4? 6 and 4. Okay. 6 and 4. Remaining other students? Remaining other? 6 and 4. Okay. No. Very good. Now, ये जो concept है, okay, that you will learn in mixer topic. That you will learn in mixer topic. Okay. Now, what is mixer? Suppose price is 30 rupees per kg and 40 rupees per kg. Okay. And I am demanding 35 rupees per kg. Okay. Now, suppose, assume कि 30 rupees per kg, weight is X kg and 40 rupees per kg, weight is Y kg. So total weight how much? Total weight X kg from 30 rupees per kg and Y kg from 40 rupees per kg. So total weight X plus Y kg. Very good. Now, price is 30 rupees per kg and weight is X kg. How much you have to pay? 30x. Very good. Price is 40, weight is Y kg. So total 40y. Good. Now, price 35 and weight is X plus Y kg. So total 30, no beta, 35x plus 35y. मन correct है आपका, heat correct है. 35x plus 35y. Okay. Now, it means Kanika, no. Kanika, you have written 35x plus y. ये wrong है बेटा. 35 bracket x plus y means 35x plus 35y. Okay. Now, it means कि addition of first and second should be equals to mixer price. Right? No. So, can I write 35x minus 30x is 5x and 40y minus 35y is 5y. So x is to y is 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1. So suppose if I want to purchase 10 kg, means 5 kg from first variety and 5 kg from second variety. Okay. 5 kg from first, 5 kg from second. Okay. Now, second example. If I want to purchase 30 rupees per kg, 40 rupees per kg, and 34 price of mixture, 34 rupees per kg. Okay. X kg, Y kg. Total is X plus Y kg. Means 30x plus 40y equals to 34x plus 34y. Means 30x plus 40y is 34x plus 34y? No. 34x minus 30x means 4x and 40y minus 34y means 6y. So x is to y is 6 is to 4 means 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. Suppose I want to purchase 10 kg means 6 kg and 4 kg answer. Okay. Okay, getting my point? No. Try to solve one question. A shopkeeper has two varieties, 20 rupees per kg, 30 rupees per kg. Okay. You are demanding 24 rupees per kg. Okay. And total 20 kg. Okay. So how much from first variety and how much from second variety? Mm-hmm. 12 and 8, very good. And x, y, x plus y. So 20x, 30y, 24x plus 24y. 24x minus 20x is 4x. And 30y minus 24y is 6y. So x is to y is 6 is to 4 means 3 is to 2. Okay. So 12 kg and 8 kg. Okay. Clear? Yes, no. This is type 1 question. Type 1, where you have to find only ratio. Okay, now type 2 question. Rate of first variety is 20 kg. Rate of second variety is 30 kg. Rate of mixture is 27 kg. Okay. If weight of first variety is 30 kg, weight of first variety is 30 kg, find weight of second variety. Weight of first variety is 30 kg, find weight of second variety. Okay, here, very good. Man, the rate of first variety 20, rate of second variety 30, mixture rate 27 rupees per kg. 27 rupees per kg. Okay. Weight of first variety 30 kg. Find weight of second variety. Okay, 7. Very good. So 30 kg. X 30 plus X. No. 600 plus 30x equals to 27 into 30 plus X. Means 810 plus 27x is 600 plus 30x. So 3x is 210. So x equals to 70. Okay. Type 1 and this is type 2. No. Write down two important rule of mixture and alligation. First, mixture always solve with mixture. Always solved with cost price. Mixer always solved with cost price. And second, price of water equals to always zero, because usually they do not mention price of water in the question. You have to assume price of water is zero. Okay? Right. Suppose a dishonest milkman, if they mix water in milk, if they mix water in milk, then price of water would be zero. And another, in dry state, Gujarat, suppose W dot Y. If you purchase this one, again mix water, then price of water would be zero. Okay? Okay. You all students are less than 18. Okay? So you must drink milk only, not this one, W dot Y. Okay? And Gujarat is also dry state. No. ये दो रूल लिख लो बेटा, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट नाउ. Exercise 16. Solve question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 to 6. They're very good. Man, good. Dhanil, very good. Hetu, very good. बच्चे. साक्षी, ओके, गुड बेटा. जिया, गुड ना. चलो चेक कर लेते हैं आंसर. एनीवन लेफ्ट जिसने सॉल्व नहीं किया है अभी तक? फर्स्ट आंसर, फर्स्ट सी नहीं, वैल्यू वैल्यू बताओ, वैल्यू. आई डोंट हैव बुक. 2:3. ओके, वेरी गुड. 2:3 करेक्ट है. ओके. सेकेंड, 4:15. ओके, ओके, करेक्ट. ओके. थर्ड, third is 30 kg. Okay, very good. Okay, 30 kg. No. Any dot among 1, 2, and 3? Second one. Month. First price is 75 paisa. Second is 5.50 rupees. So can I write 550 paisa? And price of mixer is 450 paisa. I have converted into paisa. 75 paisa, 550 paisa, and 450 paisa. Right? So 75x plus 550x is 450x plus 450y. Okay? Now, Question fourth, answer fourth. $108. Okay, correct. Very good. Fifth is 300. Very good. 300 correct. Question number 6. Sixth is 4. Okay, very good. 6, 4. Okay. No. Dot among 4, 5, and 6. For the fourth, okay. 530 paisa. 530 or 5. Sorry, 550. 550 paisa. 480 paisa. And price of mixture is 525. Okay. Weight of first variety you have to find. Weight of second is 60 kg. Mixture is X plus 60 kg. Okay. Clear? Fourth number. No. Pappu method. Question number first. Weight of first variety is how much? Sorry, rate of first variety. 25. Rate of second variety is 30. Very good. And rate of mixture is 28. Now, rate of mixture should be always between first and second. Rate of mixture should be between first and second. देखो इस क्वेश्चन में भी सेम है. 28 is between 25 and 30. No. 30 minus 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. And 28 minus 25 is 3. 28 minus 25 is 3. So answer is 2:3. Done. Answer is 2:3. Okay. Now try to solve question number second. Question number second. 75 paisa, 550 paisa, and 450 paisa. Okay. So 550 minus 450. 100. And 450 minus 75. 375. So common term 25. Common term 25. So 25 into 4, 25 into 15. Answer 4:15. 4:15. Okay? No. Question number third. No. Price of first variety. Price of first variety. 25. Price of second variety. Price of second 30. And price of mixture. Price of mixture is 27. 27 is between first and second. No. 30 minus 27 is 3. 27 minus 25 is 2. Means 3:2. No. Weight of second variety is how much? Weight of second variety is 20. So if 2 equals to 20 kg, so 3 equals to how much? If 2 is 20, so 3 is 30 kg. Answer. Okay. 60 by 2 means 30 is there. Okay. No. Try to solve question number 4th, 5th, and 6th through this method. 4th, 5th, and 6th. Okay, done. 4th, 5th, 6th. Very good, man. In question 4, 5 equals to 60. So 9 equals to how much? 108. Very good. In second, 1 equals to 75. So 4 equals to how much? 300. In sixth, 7 equals to 40. So 2 equals to 4. Clear? So question number 1 to 6, any problem? No. Question number 7. Question number 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 star question. Okay. ये different exams में आ चुके हैं question. Question number 7. Try to solve question number 7. You have to apply all methods, all concept in this question. All concept. मैं समझाता हूँ खुशी. Wait. First try. Then I will explain. Okay, no. Question number 7. D, no beta. 1 wrong answer. C, D, A, B. What is the logic behind it? What is logic? You have left only one option, B. 1:5. No. चलो चेक कर लेते हैं ना. First, read very carefully. Then I will explain it. In what ratio must water be added to spirit to gain 10% by selling it at cost price? What does it mean? Not a spirit. Read it as milk, because you all are less than 18. Okay, so milk. Okay, now आप किस रेशियो में वाटर मिल्क में ऐड करोगे, so you will get profit of 10%, right? Now, so suppose cost price of milk you have assumed 100 rupees per liter. Okay, you have purchased 100 rupees per liter milk. Now, what will you sell, milk or mixture? Mixture, very good. That is important concept. You will sell mixture. Okay, so SP of mixture is what? 100 rupees, beta, only 100, because selling it at cost price. Selling it at cost price. Last line. Selling it at cost price. Right? Means 100 rupees per liter. Okay, now. Profit is 10%. Tell me one thing. Purchase price is also 100. Selling price is also 100. And profit is 10%. Is it possible? How? Not logical, no. Yes, beta, possible. Yes, because you have purchased milk, and selling mixture. You have purchased 1 liter milk, add water in that milk, and then sell. Then you will get the profit of 10%. Okay? समझ में आया? If purchase milk, selling milk, then answer no. But purchase milk and selling mixture, then definitely you can get profit of 10, 20, whatever percentage. Okay, now just wait. I am giving practical example. Just wait. Okay. Yes, बेटा, वाटर का रेट 0 होता है. Wait. मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. Wait. Suppose I have purchased 1 liter milk, 100 rupees. Okay, now milk price 100 rupees. I remove some milk, okay, and water, add water in this milk, right? No, I will sell it 100 rupees. Then profit or loss? Profit, right? Now I have purchased milk and selling mixer. That's why you will make profit. Okay. Because Gujarat is dry state, otherwise I would give example of whiskey. Okay. लो हेत ने तो क्लास ही छोड़ दिया नाम सुन के. बिहार again बेटा, Bihar then again water. Now वो milk because Bihar is also dry state. If Rajasthan, Goa, then W dot 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 Y. Okay. So cost price of milk is 100. Selling price of mixer is 100. Profit percent is 10%. Then selling price of mixer is how much? No, sorry, cost price of mixer. Cost price of mixer is how much? Not 90, but a wrong answer. No. Okay, I will explain it in profit and loss. Till that, okay, profit 10% means 110%. 110%? No. So CP into 110% is SP. CP into 110% is SP. So CP into 110 upon 100 is 100 rupees SP. So CP is 100 into 100 upon 110. Value is 1000 upon 11. Okay. CP of milk 100, CP of mixer 1000 upon 11, and CP of water 0. Okay. Now what you have learned? The mixer and allegation always solved with cost price of selling price. Cost price or selling price? Cost price. Okay. You got all three cost price. Cost price of milk, cost price of mixer, and cost price of water. Okay. No. Cost price of water is 0. Cost price of milk is 100. And cost price of mixer is 1000 upon 11. Okay. 1000 upon 11. Okay. Now 100 minus 1000 upon 11. 100 minus, एक मिनट खुशी वेट करो, मैं दिखाता हूं बेटा. 11 and 1000 upon 11 minus 0. Okay. So 1100 minus 1000 by 11. 1000 minus 0 by 11. Okay. So 100 by 11 and 1000 by 11. So ratio is 1:10. 1:10. ये नोट कर लो आप. लो नोट कर लो इसको बेटा. Done. Very good. Okay, but try to solve question number 8. Question number 8. I'm taking 2 minutes break. Solve question number 8. ओके मन कुछ एडिशन वाला स्लाइड देखना है आपको, जस्ट बट ये देखो कहाँ पे नहीं आया, हट जाए किस पॉइंट पे? चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 एक करेक्ट है बेटा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 करना है, 7 तो मैंने समझाया था अभी आपको। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 ओके। One is to 5, very good, correct. CP of milk 100, SP of mixture 100, profit 20%, 20% means 120%, right? So CP into 120% करने का, very good, is SP, and SP is how much? 100 rupees. So CP into 120 upon 100 is 100. So CP is 100 into 100 upon 120. Okay, means 1000 upon 12 rupees. Okay. No. CP of milk, CP of mixture, CP of water is 0. Okay. No, next. CP of water 0, CP of milk 100, CP of mixture is 1000 upon 12. Okay. No. 100 minus 1000 upon 12. And 1000 upon 12 minus 0. So 12 LCM. 1200 minus 1000 and 1000 minus 0 upon 12. So 200 by 12 is 2000 by 12 means 1 is to 5 answer. Okay. Question number 7th and 8th. Question number 8 is more important than 7 because in CLAT, BBA, IPM, CAT, all exams में ये क्वेश्चन आ चुके हैं. In all exams, 20%. Okay. Concept clear? 7th and 8th? Or any problem? Okay, बच्चा. 7th, 8th, any problem? No. Time of Pappu method. Okay. In question number 7, profit percentage how much? 10%. So 10 upon 100. Answer क्या होगा? 10 upon 100 answer. 10 upon 100 answer. Ratio में क्या लिखोगे? 1. बेटा 10 upon 100. 1 is to 10. That is your answer. Question number 8. Profit percent how much? 20. 20 upon 100. Answer is 1 is to 5. That is your answer. Okay. Okay. Do not need to solve through this method. Direct go through a Pappu method. Okay. नहीं बेटा खुशी, only go through a Pappu method. 10% profit 1 is to 10. 20% profit 1 is to 5. Suppose 30% profit, then answer 3 is to 10. Very good. Suppose 40% profit, then answer 2 is to 5. Very good. Okay. Suppose 50% profit, then answer 1 is to 2. Suppose 100% profit, then 1 is to 1. Okay, clear? समझ में आ गया? तो आपको डिटेल मेथड में जाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. आंसर ओके. मेथड not appropriate for competitive exam. Okay. Answer okay. Again, method not appropriate. Okay. Method also okay. Answer also fine. Method also okay. Answer also. Okay. So Pappu method is best. Now, next. Question number 9. 9th and 10th both. Ninth and 10th. Very good, man. Answer, beta. Okay. 60 or 30? It should be 30, I think. No. In question number 9, total solution is 300 ml and 40% salt. Then water, how much? If 40% salt, then water, 60%. Very good. Question number 10, total solution is how much? 729. And milk is to water is how much? Milk is to water 7:2. Okay. First find the value. First find the value. So in question number 9, weightage of salt is how much? $120. Water is 180. Okay. In question number 10, milk 7/9 into 729. Okay, means 567. And water 2/9 into 729 means 162. Okay, now यहाँ तक चेक कर लो. Any problem in part 1? No. Now in question number 9, what is question? How much salt should be added? How much salt should be added to make it 50% of the solution? Suppose in a class 20 boys and 25 girls in a class, right? Now, so total strength is how much? Total strength is 45. Very good. No. 45. Good. No. Now my question is, if I add 5 boys more in class, if I add 5 boys more, then number of boys 25 and total strength is 50. Okay. Then always remember one thing. Whenever you add something in the mixer, there may be two effects. First, increase particular volume, and another thing, increase total volume. Increase particular. Suppose in milk and water, if you add milk, okay, then definitely will increase the volume of milk, and another side will increase volume of mixture. दो इफेक्ट आएंगे always. Yes or no? Okay. So suppose in this question, if you add salt, x gram salt, if you have added, means total solution would be how much? Total solution 300 plus x. Very good. And new salt is how much? New salt is 120 plus x. Okay. So 120 plus x is 50% of total solution. New salt is 50% of total solution. Means 300 plus 50% is 1/2. Is 120 plus x. Means 300 plus x is 240 plus x plus 2x. So x equals to 60 gram. Okay. X equals to 60 gram. Okay, now. In question number 2, how much salt, question number 10, sorry. How much more water is to be added? More water is to be added. So milk is 567. Water is 162 plus x. equals to new ratio is 7:3. New ratio is 7:3. Then you will get the value of x would be 81, I think. Okay. Value of x would be 81. नाइन में 50% ऑफ 3 ml नहीं कर सकते हैं. नहीं बेटा, नो नहीं कर सकते हो, बिकॉज जब भी आपने कुछ ऐड किया तो टोटल वॉल्यूम भी इंक्रीज होगा ना. इफ यू ऐड समथिंग देन फर्स्ट इफेक्ट increase salt and another effect increase volume. Okay, खुशी. समझ में आ गया? Now Pappu method. Question number 9. 300 ml, 40% salt and 60% water means 120 and 180, right? Question number 10. 729. 7:2 and want to become 7:3. यही क्वेश्चन है. No. अब मुझे ये बताओ, टेल मी वन थिंग. नो, दिस इज salt, right? And this is water. Okay. If I increase salt up to 50% in mixture, then percentage value of water in new mixture would be, if salt 50%, then water would be how much percent? 50%. Great. 50% is 180. 50% is 180 means in 120, what should you add to get 180? 120 plus x equals to 180. So answer is 60 ml. Okay. समझ में आ गया? Okay, no. Beta. In salt 120 and water 180, right? In new mixture, salt is 50, water is 50. Okay. You are not increasing level of water, means water must be 180 ml. Water must be 180 means salt also 180. Salt should also be 180 because 50%. So 120 plus what equals to 180. Okay. Suppose in a class 120 girls and 180 boys. Now I want 50% strength in classroom, both boys and girls. What would be method? 50% both boys and girls in class. Not 60, 90. No. Suppose total strength. Suppose total is now 300. Okay. अभी 300 है, नो मुझे 50-50 करना है दोनों को, 50-50। आइदर ऐड करो गर्ल्स को, आइदर बॉयज को ऐड करो, आइदर गर्ल्स रिड्यूस बॉयज रिड्यूस, बट इन क्लास फाइनली 50% boys and 50% girls should be present. If girls is 140, then boy also be 140. If girls is 150, then boy also be 150. क्या मेथड हो सकता है? आप कुछ, you are free to add something or reduce something. Plus 30 minus 30. Very good. First is very good. First is plus 30. Very good. Plus 30 means 150 minus 30 is 150. Very good. Plus 30 minus 30. Okay. Another thing. Girls plus 60. Very good. Boys as it is 180. Third thing, boys minus 60. Huh, right? Increase girls, reduce boys, or increase girls only, or third reduce boys only. यही 3 पॉसिबिलिटी है. नो, अब मैं कंडीशन दे रहा हूं. मैं सेकंड कंडीशन, you cannot reduce boys. You cannot reduce boys. ठीक है, कंडीशन. नो, only you can increase number of girls, and now strength should be 50-50%. Then plus 60, right? Plus 60. Same question here. No. You cannot reduce weightage of water. Okay, only you can increase salt. Only you can increase salt. Then how much salt should be added? समझ में आ गया कॉन्सेप्ट? In question number 10, 7:2, new ratio is 7:3. Okay, so total 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9 equals to 729. So 1 equals to how much? If 9 is 729, so 1 equals to how much? 1 equals to 81. Very good. Correct. 1 equals to 81. Okay, now. अभी कितना इंक्रीज किया आपने यहाँ पे? How much part? 7:2 to 7:3. How much part? 1 part. 7:2 से 7:3 कर दिया आपने, तो कितना इंक्रीज किया? 1. So 1 is how much? 81, and 1 is 81. Okay. समझ में आ गया मिक्सचर? No. From question number 11, 12, 13 up to 9, up to 20 question, खुशी में समझाता हूं. Up to 20, ठीक है. After percentage, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, simple compound interest, average, I will explain. From question number 11 to 20. 11 to 20. Okay? No. अब ये क्वेश्चन फिर से मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर बेटा था आपका, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 था ना. देखो आप 10th में 729 है, 7:2 में डिवाइड कर दिया मैंने, एंड न्यू रेशियो 7:3 होना चाहिए. तो मैंने कितना इंक्रीज किया? +1 इंक्रीज किया ओनली. So find the value of 1. means 7 plus 2 9 equals to 729. So 1 equals to 81. 1 equals to 81. So 1 is 81 answer. समझ में आ गया? Now partnership topic. No. Partnership and Pappu. Okay. First alphabet of both the words RP means partnership is equivalent to Pappu. Okay. Easiest one. इससे इजी मुझे कोई टॉपिक लगता ही नहीं है. Okay. Only one rule. Only one rule. Amount into time equals to time equals to ratio of profit. Ratio of profit. ये नोट कर लो आप, बस यही फिनिश हो गया टॉपिक आपका. रेशियो ऑफ प्रॉफिट. Amount invested amount into time duration equals to ratio of profit. Okay. No. First question. First example, not first question. No. Pappu and Pappu positive invested 10,000 and 20,000 rupees. Okay. Total profit is 3,000 rupees. Find the share of Pappu and Pappu positive. Thousand and 2,000. Very good. Okay. 1,000 and 2,000. Very good, Awad. Okay. Means 1:2. 1:2 means 1,000 and 2,000. Okay. Second question. Pappu and Pappu positive. 10,000 and 20,000 for 2 years and 1 year. Okay. Total profit is 3,000 rupees. Find the share of Pappu and Pappu positive. Thousand and two. Very good. No, Sakshi. Wrong. Yes, 1,500 and 1,500. Very good. Invested amount into time duration. Invested amount into time means 20,000. Oh, sorry. यहाँ पे 1 more 0 है. 20 ही होना चाहिए. Okay. नहीं, not profit for 1 year. Total profit is 3,000 rupees. Sakshi. Total profit 3,000 rupees. Okay. 20,000. So ratio is 1:1 means 1,500. Okay. Third question. समझ में आ रहा है? Third. Pappu and Pappu positive 10,000 and X rupees for 2 years and for 1 year. Okay. Ratio of profit is 1:1. Find the capital amount of Pappu positive. Answer 20. Very good. Okay. Means 20,000 into x equals to 1 is to 1. So 20,000 upon x is 1 is to 1. So x equals to 20,000. Okay. Now, question number 4. Pappu and Pappu positive for 10,000 and 20,000 rupees for x years and 1 year. The ratio of profit is 1 is to 1. Find the time duration of Pappu. Okay, very good. No. Fifth question. Pappu and Pappu Pelman 20,000 and 30,000 rupees. Okay. For 2 years and not 2 years, for 6 years and X years. Okay. Pappu claims half of the profit. Okay. Find the time duration of Pappu Pelwan. Answer 4 years. Very good. Because if Pappu claims half, then Pappu Pelman is how much? 1 minus half is half. So ratio of profit is 1 is to 1. Ratio of profit is 1 is to 1. So 20,000 into 6 upon 30,000 into x equals to 1 is to 1. Answer 4 years. समझ में आ गया? Okay. Exercise 17. Question 1, 2, 3. Question number 10. 11, 12, 10, 11 and 12. Solve करो इतने questions. 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12. 15, 16, 17. 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17. 10 छोड़ देना, 10 नहीं, 10 नहीं होगा आप सोल्व आपसे भी। बेटा 12 की बात करना है आपको, 15, 16 एंड 17। ओके डन। मलया क्लास में बेटा एक भी आंसर नहीं दिया। स्तुति आप भी आंसर नहीं दे रहे हो। हिमाद्री आपका भी आंसर नहीं है कोई। हेलो, मलया तो लेफ्ट कर गया। इट वाज वेरी गुड। Is that good? Sakshi, good. चलो आंसर चेक कर लें। फर्स्ट आंसर, फर्स्ट बताओ फर्स्ट आंसर। 60,000 करेक्ट है। सेकेंड 12,800 ओके। थर्ड ओके, थर्ड इज 4 months और 8 months। क्वेश्चन में क्या है थर्ड में, हाउ मच पीरियड डज बी ज्वाइन, हाउ मच पीरियड डज बी ज्वाइन, तो आंसर इज 8 months। इफ सपोज आफ्टर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स, आफ्टर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स बी ज्वाइन, देन आंसर क्या लिखते हैं आप, आफ्टर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स देन 4 months। ध्यान रखना को एग्जाम में सेंटेंस क्या है? व्हाट इज सेंटेंस? आइदर आफ्टर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स did he join, or second, for how much period does we join? Okay. Question number beta 11. 11. D means 1680, 189 and 2100. Correct है. Very good. 8:9:10. Okay. Question number 12. A means okay 6:6:3. Very good. Okay. Question number 15. 15th. After how many months? After how many months? The answer is 4 months. Answer क्या होगा? 4 months. Because question read करो. After how many months did Tikli join? वो बिजनेस में 8 months रहा. So after 4 months did Tikli join? Okay. Question number 16. 14700. साक्षी ए होना चाहिए आंसर. 14700. D. Pickly X. Pickly X. Pickly is X plus 5000. ये देखो. And Chickly X plus 9000. Because Chickly subscribes 4000 more than Tickly. Okay. And 5000 more than Tickly. समझ में आया बेटा ये? Okay. So X equals 12,000. Means Tickly 12,000. Tickly's D right. Okay. हाँ D correct है बेटा. D correct है. Question number 17. Answer 9,000. Okay. 9,000 correct है. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? तो आप पार्टनरशिप सॉल्व कर लोगे. पार्टनरशिप कंप्लीट कर लेंगे आप. फर्स्ट बता दो बेटा मन. ओके. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. X and Y invested in a business. They earned some profit which they divided into ratio 2:3. So ratio of profit is 2:3. Okay. And X invested 40,000. So Y is how much? So 40,000 into Y is 2:3. आपके कॉमर्स में एक लॉजिक है. If time duration is not mentioned, then divide equally. ऐसा रूल है. वो इसमें अप्लाई नहीं करना है. समझे? मैथ्स में अप्लाई करना है. इन्वेस्टेड अमाउंट इनटू टाइम ड्यूरेशन इक्वल्स टू रेशियो ऑफ प्रॉफिट. मुझे पता चला तभी मैंने बताया ये लोग. ओके. ठीक है जी. तो अपना लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट कर रहा हूं मैं. ओके. अपने मिलेंगे मंडे. टेक केयर. गुड नाइट. बाय बेटा.